How to download video from Billi quick tutorial. Intro. Do you want to download your favorite videos from Billi? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to save Billi videos step by step. Step 1. Open Billi app. First, open the Billi app on your phone and find the video you want to download. Step 2. Look for the download button. Below the video, you'll see a download icon. Tap it to save the video directly into your Billi app. Step 3. Choose video quality. Select the video quality you prefer, like 480p, 720p, or 1080p, then tap Confirm. Step 4. Access your downloaded video. Once downloaded, go to your profile, Download section, and you'll find the video ready to watch offline anytime. Outro. And that's it! That's how you can download any video from Billi for offline viewing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.